Even in the chaos of everyday life, moments of gratitude remind us to hold on to the good things. Britt Morin. In today's video, I want to share the many benefits of writing down what you are grateful for every single day, especially when life is tough.
Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Myrna 𝐤𝐤𝐬, and this channel is to support and encourage parents that have children with chronic illness and/or special needs. Today, I want to share 5 benefits of writing down what you are grateful for every single day. I want to start by looking at the definition of gratitude and really just seeing what gratitude means. Gratitude is the quality of being thankful and having a positive emotion. I think gratitude can be scary for a lot of us because holding on to anger and negativity, it kind of gives us control. Whereas when you're expressing gratitude or being grateful, you feel a little bit vulnerable. But so many great and positive things can come from being grateful and practicing gratitude every single day. Benefit number 1, it helps you sleep better. Writing in your gratitude journal before bed helps you to get some of those worries out of your head and turn them into positive ones. This practice can help soothe you before you go to sleep. You won't be tossing and turning about your worries. You will be thinking about what you're grateful for because that's how you ended your night. And when you get peaceful sleep, you'll be less tired the next day. It's a win-win. Benefit number 2, your perspective of life changes. When I started writing in my gratitude journal, my perspective of life started to change very quickly. I could feel like I was becoming more humble and more wise. Things that I thought were so important just didn't matter as much anymore. My gratitude journey has changed the way that I think about life. I reflect a lot about my family and how thankful I am to have them. Even when my children are pushing my patience, I'm just grateful for every moment. And I reflect on how thankful I am for my husband and how supportive he is. Everything else doesn't quite matter. Life becomes more simple. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to push the like button. And if you're ready to start your gratitude journey, type "I'm ready" in the comments below. Benefit number 3, you become more happy and more positive. Daily gratitude can make you a happier and more positive person. When you write down what you're grateful for each and every single day, even when life really sucks, you just become a little bit more upbeat and a little happier. When I go back and look at past journal entries, I see how sad I was. I was in a really rough spot. But that happiness and positivity increases page by page. Gratitude works. Gratitude is the route to happiness. Benefit number 4, your self-esteem increases. When you start writing down what you're grateful for every single day, you stop thinking and comparing yourself to other people. You start appreciating and being thankful for what you have in your life, in this moment, in the present. You start focusing on all the good, all the great things that are happening in your life. For gratitude to work, it needs to become a practice. It needs to become a habit, something that you do every single day that you don't even think about. It needs to become a part of your daily routine. Benefit number 5, you become more self-aware. In the 5-minute journal, that's the gratitude journal that I use, there's an evening section and it asks you, how could today have been better? When I first started on my gratitude journey, The answer was really just simple and basic. Like, I could have been more brave. But the more I started to answer it, the easier it got. I became more attuned to myself. I hope that this video motivates you to go and get a gratitude journal. The 5-minute journal is amazing, and I just love how it gives you motivational quotes, and it has the daily affirmations, what you're grateful for. I love that it has a morning and an evening section. I hope this video motivates you to go and get your own gratitude journal so you can start on this beautiful journey of thankfulness and positivity. Don't forget to subscribe if you're getting value from these videos, and don't forget to press the bell notification to be reminded of when I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, then you might like this one. Until next time, bye.